guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Saima Sparkle and I make girly vlogs and makeup tutorials and beauty related videos. Today is my birthday. It's my birthday morning. I'm getting ready to spend the day at this very popular historical place for which I'm super excited. And as you can see that I am a bit overdressed for our birthday. I am visiting this very special place and that place is so beautiful. There is nothing overdressed in such place. This is my Eid outfit of last Eid, which I couldn't wear because I didn't celebrate it wearing it for the first time. So I did my brows like I usually do and also prepped my eyes for eyeshadow with concealer. You know, like Bollywood actresses, Smokey eye when they wear sari and bun. And then they do the side pose, Deepika, Kriti Sanon. And I want to do something like that. So I normally do smoky eyes a lot, especially brown smoky eyes. So we will try to make it more deeper and more festive looking like the Bollywood actresses. My YouTube girlies see this palette all the time. And what can I do? If I'm trying to do smoky eye, I will use this palette. This is perfect. So I will do my transition by using these two shades. Guys, it is my lifelong wish to visit Sonargaon, Panam Nagar. Like, it's one of my bucket list places, and it is so weird that it took me so long. Like, I was born and raised and I lived in Dhaka all my life, but I never visited that place, even though it is not so far. And I wanted to visit this place so much, but I never did it. It just happened that way. My parents wanted to take me and my sister so many times, but our plans always got postponed for some reason. My sister and brother-in-law came up with this idea to go there on my birthday, for which I'm super happy. This can't be more special. And I wanted to visit Sonargaon not just because it's trendy, because it's so beautiful. I am very much into history. I love history so much. Now I will mix these two shades together and I will pack it with a flat brush. And then I will blend it well. I want to keep this area orangey, so I will reapply the shade I used earlier. Now we will use neutral dark brown shimmer. And I will apply it on top of the darker brown base we created. For applying eyeliner, I will use some black eyeshadow to create a smoky wing. Not too much smoky, just a little smudging, and that's it. Now I will wear some fluffy eyelashes. I will start with Glam High Coverage Concealer to color correct. I don't want my base to be too heavy, so I'm skipping foundation. Instead, I'm using this Skin Tint by Maybelline. I got literally the best birthday gift this year. My sister always gives me makeup as present on my birthdays. This year she totally surprised me because I literally got the best thing ever, which I guess you already saw earlier in this video. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and the whole Pillow Talk line is my dream product. I already guessed that she would give me makeup, but it was a total surprise. And my highlighting concealer only on my under eye. Maybe a little on my nose and forehead. Okay, so on my T-zone. This time of October, sometimes you feel like, oh, winter is here. There is a vibe of winter wind. You know, like, and then there is excessive heat. Like, this is so weird weather. So first, I will take the loose powder and I will gently press it all over my face to set my concealer and foundation. And then I will take the same loose powder and bake. While it is baking, I will complete my eyeshadow or eye makeup. So I will take the black eyeshadow and I will set my kajal using the black eyeshadow on my waterline. I will not smoke or smudge or do anything on my lower lash line. I will keep it neat. Now it's time to put lots of bronzer. This dress was screaming for a bronzed smoky makeup. I will use we do not dust off the powder, we press it onto the skin. We won't wear any blush. This year I got even less interested in blush. I don't know why. I always had bronzer blindness, but I feel like it got even more this year. I honestly like highlighter more on my body and less on my face. Mix combo, so I'm using Beauty Glazed lipstick in the shade Toffee. To define the lips, I will use my Beauty Glazed lip liner. Applying mascara on my bottom lashes. Our makeup look is complete. Let's put on some jewelry. For now, I'm just wearing one earring and I'm kind of used to it because every time I wear something like a very nice earrings, something always happens to one of the pair. For this matching golden jewelry, and that's the beautiful dupatta. So yeah, that completes the look, guys. That's my Desi princess birthday look. Hope you guys enjoyed the makeup and I will see you again in Panam Nagar. Okay, so we are on our way. It didn't take us much time to visit there as it was Pooja's vacation. It's a crazy hot day, so we have reached. We first went to Boro Sardar Bari. That's my sister, my boo-boo. Look how beautiful. Like, I literally was mesmerized by how beautiful and unreal it looks in person. Imagine this place being your home. Yeah, people used to live there. That's my parents, my ammu appu. They thought I was clicking pictures. Thing you saw at the center was a bed. They also had a dressing table, of which I forgot to take videos of, but the dressing table was very pretty. As you go inside, you get this place, which is so amazing. I was obsessed with the details. And here I am pretending I'm a Desi princess. And that's my dress. Look how pretty it is. The color matched so well with the architecture. The dreamiest birthday ever. People were so talented back in the days. This was definitely one of my best birthdays ever. It's the museum, John Abedin's museum. It was his personal belongings and it was so cool. There were so many other things there which I didn't take video of. I only took pictures. I was busy observing those and it was so cool to see how people use such cool and nice things, and we literally have become so tasteless. We were resting a bit by the pond. The environment was so soothing and my mom has a thing for fishes and Then we went to Panam city, which is the main tourist attraction, and it was so crowded compared to the places we went before. We entered this areas not to click videos, and that's my brother-in-law. It's breathtaking to see these centuries old buildings standing. I always yearned to see this with my own eyes. Tell me why people write their names on doors and walls. So weird, but look how beautiful. So crazy. It was a neighborhood. People used to live in these places. So that was my Desi princess birthday. Thank you so much for watching.